Tired of wrestling with inconsistent branding and spending hours designing every single email? Let's unlock the power of Beehiiv templates and transform your newsletter creation for good. First things first, let's find where the magic happens. Log in to your Beehiiv account and navigate to the Publish section in your left-hand menu. From there, click on Templates. Here you'll see a collection of Personalizing templates. Beehiiv offers a range of layouts perfect for different types of content. From your regular weekly updates to special promotions or event announcements, take a moment to browse and see what resonates with your brand's aesthetic. Once you've found a template that catches your eye, simply click on it to select it. This will immediately load it into your email editor, ready for customization. Now, the real fun begins: personalization. You can easily edit all the text to fit your specific message. Need to swap out an image? Just click on it and upload your own. You can also tweak colors, fonts, and even the layout of certain sections to perfectly match your brand guidelines. This is where you enforce that crucial brand consistency. But what if you want to create something truly unique or refine an existing template to your exact brand specifications? Look for the option to Create New Template or Save as Template. If you've made significant edits to an existing one, this allows you to build your very own branded masterpiece from scratch or fine-tune a template for future use. From then on, whenever you're ready to craft your next newsletter, simply select your saved custom template from your template library. This ensures every email you send has that professional, unified look, saving you valuable time and reinforcing your brand identity with every click. So ditch the design drama and start leveraging Beehiiv templates today. Your subscribers and your sanity will thank you.